Welcome, everybody. Thank you for joining. And my name is Sushmita. I'm from Bangalore, Karnataka, and I will be talking to you mostly in English. थोड़ा बहुत हिंदी में भी मेरा हिंदी उतना अच्छा नहीं है, तो you have to adjust and try to understand what I'm saying. तो इस सेशन में हम बात करेंगे फ्यूचर ऑफ लर्निंग के बारे में और ये फ्यूचर ऑफ लर्निंग एक्चुअली क्या है और कैसे हम फ्यूचर में और फ्यूचर की जो जॉब डिमांड्स है, जो वर्क डिमांड्स है, उसके हिसाब से हम कैसे सीख सकते हैं और क्या होनी चाहिए हमारा लर्निंग का तरीका। सो इसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे। द फर्स्ट थिंग इज आई वुड लाइक यू टू टेक अ लुक एट द स्क्रीन एंड टेल मी कि आप जब ये इमेज देखते हैं तो क्या समझते हैं। फर्स्ट इमेज प्लीज। सो इसमें एक लड़का है जो आगे कुछ देख रहा है। तो व्हाट डज दिस इमेज मीन टू यू? आप क्या समझ रहे हैं इसको देख के? Yes, it's somebody who is looking into the future. आगे देख रहे हैं, trying to understand कि आगे क्या है, क्या हो सकता है। It is somebody who is standing in the present or they are looking into the future. They have a दूरबीन and उसके मदद से वो देख रहे हैं कि आगे क्या हो रहा है, right? When we look at the future, we have to understand that future is always something that is predicted. हमें पता नहीं चलता है कि फ्यूचर में क्या हो सकता है या फिर क्या होगा। वी हैव टू बेस आवर लर्निंग ऑन द प्रेडिक्शन कि हाँ शायद ये होगा फ्यूचर में, शायद वो होगा, शायद क्लासरूम्स द वे दे लुक एंड फील, जैसे कि हम क्लासरूम्स अभी एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं, शायद वो वैसा नहीं होगा। शायद देयर इज अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अ क्लासरूम, टीचिंग कैन हैपन डिफरेंटली। व्हेन वी से फ्यूचर ऑफ लर्निंग, हम जनरली ये सब चीज की बात कर रहे हैं कि कुछ आगे होगा। Now, as you can see on the screen, what is happening because of Corona, because of the lockdown, and suddenly globe mein everything is changing globally. What has happened is, as you can see in the second slide, we are forcing and we are looking into the future. हमें पता नहीं था कि ऐसा लॉकडाउन होगा, ऐसा हम बैठ के एक दूसरे के साथ डिजिटली बात करेंगे, क्लासरूम्स विल चेंज एंड इन द क्लासरूम वी विल बी सीइंग अ स्टूडेंट थ्रू अ कंप्यूटर। इवन यू डिड नॉट रियलाइज कि आप डिफरेंट डिफरेंट टीचर्स को एवरीडे मीट करेंगे थ्रू अ कंप्यूटर, है ना। सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस सिचुएशन कॉल्ड द कोविड वायरस, वी आर फोर्सिंग आवरसेल्व्स इनटू द फ्यूचर। हम देख रहे हैं कि फ्यूचर में कैसा काम चलेगा। तो what I would like to say here is future of learning जो हम actually बोल रहे हैं, next slide please, that is actually not the future. जो हम future of learning के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं वो is that's actually the present of learning, because we have moved to the future very very fast because of coronavirus. हम सब एक दूसरे के साथ बहुत सारे टेक्नोलॉजी यूज करके बात कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारे टेक्नोलॉजी के वजह से न्यूज इज गेटिंग स्प्रेड, लर्निंग इज ऑल्सो टेकिंग प्लेस। सो लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड कि इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ऑफ द प्रेजेंट टाइम हम कैसे लर्निंग और डिजिटल टेक्नोलॉजी को समझे और उसको हम कैसे अपने बेनिफिट के लिए, हाउ डू वी यूज इट, राइट। So let's start with a few deals. ये एक ब्रिक और मोर्टर की क्लासरूम नहीं है, यहाँ पे बेंचेस नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी for the next 1 hour, you and me be together in a certain kind of a digital classroom, right? तो इस डिजिटल क्लासरूम में थोड़ा हम डील करेंगे, थोड़ी हमारी नॉर्म्स होगी, एक दूसरे के साथ बिहेव करने का एक तरीका होगा, तो वो देखेंगे क्या है. द फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज respect the learning for yourself and for others. यहाँ पे next 1 hour what you're going to spend, you'll be learning certain things and be respectful of that learning. Next, जो भी आपको आंसर्स बतानी है, जो भी आपको मुझे क्वेश्चंस पूछना है, कीप इट शॉर्ट. आप अपने कमेंट्स कॉलम में यू कैन राइट एंड यू कैन लेट मी नो, बट कीप इट वेरी शॉर्ट एंड टू द टॉपिक. नेक्स्ट, हाँ, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. Just because it's an online class does not mean कि in one hand you will be looking at Instagram, नहीं तो WhatsApp. Take your notes, be serious and focus on what you're going to learn, not just for my session, for any other online session that you attend. Next please. हाँ, ask questions, ask a lot of questions. जो मैं बता रही हूँ आपको, if you don't understand, नहीं तो आपको सहमत नहीं है, if you don't agree with me, it is totally fine. Ask me the question and I'll be happy to answer. Next one. हाँ, very important point. Do not start or join side conversations with your classmates. ये बहुत सारे टाइम होता है ऑनलाइन सेशंस में कि suddenly you will remember a joke, suddenly you will remember some other conversation या topic, and बहुत सारे people start talking together. So don't do that. Stick to the conversation, stick to this session, and उसके बाद you can do whatever you want. Last point. Very important. ये पहले कभी एक बार हो चुका था. That's why we have put this. कि students started asking all sorts of crazy questions to the facilitator. They started teasing another student because the student was asking a certain kind of question. So please don't do that. Let us be respectful to each other and let's help each other learn, because who knows, future of learning can be in the computer completely. So we have to get used to this. Yeah. Thank you. Let's go to the next one. Any doubts so far? All right. तो जब आप ये पिक्चर देखते हैं तो आप देखेंगे कि यहाँ पे एक एसटीडी बूथ का फोटो है, रेलवेज का बुकिंग काउंटर का एक फोटो है, एक टाइपराइटर का फोटो है और एक पोस्टमैन का फोटो है. तो मेरा क्वेश्चन आपके लिए ये है कि what types of jobs have reduced or vanished in the last 5 years? पिछले 5 साल में ये कौन कौन सी ऐसी नौकरियां हैं जो कम हो चुकी है, नहीं तो गायब हो चुका है. These are some clues on your screen. You can think some more examples and you can share with me. I'll be waiting for your response. STD booth, yes. Banking, STD typist, okay. Any more examples? और कौन कौन सी जॉब्स थी जो हमने देखा और अभी नहीं है? Think about your parents, think about your grandparents. वो क्या क्या बता रहे थे कि ऐसे जॉब्स थे, हमारे जमाने में ऐसा था बच्चे. They used to, whatever they used to say like that. Think about that and tell me. Everyone saying STD, STD. Money order, yes. Kushali is saying money order. Telegram also. Nowadays, even seeing a postman or postwoman, it's become so rare. Even जब आप एक बैंक जाएंगे तो देखेंगे कि बैंक में जैसा था, the jobs that the people in the bank used to do, even that has changed a lot. पहले even for withdrawing money or to give money, deposit money, that is, you would have to go and wait in the bank. Abhi ATMs have come and changed that. So if you think about it, बहुत सारे jobs है जो थे अभी, because of the development of technology, because of the way in which we all communicate with each other, development of communication technology और general technology के development के वजह से jobs have started changing. तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा बात करेंगे. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. Yes, accountants who didn't work on computer, machine that has taken place everywhere. Yes, DDs in bank. Yes, Manjubala telegram. Yes, fax, postman. Yes, great. Let's move to the next question. So, what are some new jobs that have come up in the last 5 years? So, up, think about it and tell me. कि there are few examples on the screen भी. Ola है, Swiggy है, online banking है. So what are the different kinds of jobs, new jobs that have come up in the last 5 years? जो आपने इमेजिन भी नहीं किया था, ऐसा भी जॉब हो सकता है. वैसे बहुत सारे जॉब्स है अभी. तो वो कौन कौन सी जॉब्स है? ऑनलाइन जॉब्स, ऑनलाइन रिलेटेड सब. दैट्स ट्रू. नेम द जॉब्स. जॉब टाइटल आपको समझ है तो उसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइएगा. In fact, I remember one of your alumni from Rajasthan had started a small business on Flipkart and also on Instagram. तो उनका एक boutique था. उन्होंने दो students I think had started their own boutique and उसको उन्होंने Flipkart और Instagram पे they were giving publicity to it and उनका सब कुछ business ही digital पे चल रहा था. So that's the way they were doing their work. Many kinds of delivery. Yes. Customer care executive. Yes. Lot of customer care happens on the call. Abhi, if you have any problem, immediately you have to pick your phone and talk to somebody and they will solve your problem. That's correct. Telemarketing, animation. Yes. So very interesting, Atul. आपने जो बोला है animation. Somebody who was as part of this Corona lockdown, there are no movies that are getting made now. कहीं पे भी शूटिंग करना मना है बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ पीपल गैदर इन अ शूट, है ना. तो वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स वाज टेलिंग मी शायद द फ्यूचर ऑफ द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री इज अबाउट एनिमेशन. And who knows, because animation you can do it by sitting inside a studio. You don't have to go and meet too many people and do shoots. Yeah. Online marketing. That's true. So बहुत सारे डिलीवरी जॉब्स, बहुत सारे, इसको हम कहते हैं प्लेटफॉर्म इकोनॉमी. प्लेटफॉर्म इकोनॉमी में क्या होता है? यूजिंग अ डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म, jobs are done without a human being actually going somewhere, without a human being actually setting up a shop, without a human being meeting another person, because the platform is giving you, the platform, online platform is giving you the opportunity to do all the jobs at one place. तो इसको बोलते हैं प्लेटफॉर्म इकोनॉमी. और इसका बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल है ओला या फिर उबर, अमेजॉन. यहाँ पे अमेजॉन पे हम दुकान ही नहीं जाते हैं. दुकान वाले भी लॉट्स ऑफ बिजनेसमैन आर देयर हु डोंट हैव अ शॉप, दे जस्ट हैव अ गोडाउन. गोडाउन को यूज करके दे विल सेंड द मटेरियल दैट यू ऑर्डर फॉर. Tanvi says medical industry. Tanvi, can you give few examples? It's very new to me कि medical industry में कैसा ऐसे online jobs चल रहा है. I don't know. Dunzo app, yes. Mahala has shared Instagram page of Sarishi, who is our alumni who started business on Instagram. आप interested है तो आप comment section में जाके देख सकते हैं. Thanks, Mahala. Anyway, let's move on to the next question. To the next slide. So we understood कि पिछले 5 years में there are some jobs that have gone. in the last 5 years, some new jobs which we never thought of has also emerged. तो थोड़ा हम इसके ऊपर ध्यान देते हैं. The next 2 slides are very important. Request you to take a pen and paper and listen and write down a couple of things that I'm going to ask you now. तो जो आप स्लाइड पे स्क्रीन पे देख रहे हैं वो ये है कि पास्ट का जो जॉब था उसका क्या क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स है, क्या क्या रीति नीति तरीका है जो पास्ट के जॉब्स में थे, और on the other side you're seeing present or future. Again, I said future is not future anymore. Future has come to the present because of corona, because of digital technology, the speed at which things are growing. तो पास्ट में कैसा था जॉब और प्रेजेंट में कैसा है जॉब सिनेरियो, करियर ग्रोथ, ये सब कैसा हो रहा है, इसको थोड़ा हम डिस्कस करेंगे. और जब मैं डिस्कस कर रही हूँ, what you have to do is write down कि what are the new skills, what are the new knowledge that people need to have in the present and future. ऐसा जॉब मार्केट चेंज होगा, ऐसा जॉब मार्केट में हमें सर्वाइव करना है, ये ऐसा ही जॉब मार्केट में हमें एंटर करके इसमें ग्रो करना है नेक्स्ट 20-30 years. तो कौन कौन सी स्किल्स चाहिए हमें, कौन कौन सी नॉलेज चाहिए हमें, जिसकी वजह से हम इसमें रह सके और ग्रो कर सके. इसको आप थोड़ा while I am explaining, you think about it and write it down. Cool. So let's start. पहला पॉइंट है वर्किंग आवर्स 9 to 5. पास्ट में फिक्सेड वर्किंग आवर्स थी. If any of your parents went to say a bank job or post, if they were working in any of these private government sector industries, बहुत फिक्सेड टाइम था जॉब्स को. अभी वर्किंग आवर्स हो गया है एनी टाइम. You literally don't know. Shifts are very, very different. Nowadays the shift concept भी नहीं है. जब हम लोग अभी वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं तो हमें हमारे ऑफिस से एक मेल आया और उन्होंने बताया कि आपको जब भी वर्क कर सकते हैं आप कीजिए. 8 hours, 9 hours you have to put in, लेकिन एनी टाइम you can work. Same thing with a Dunzo person, a delivery person, जो somebody who's running a business, let's say on Amazon or Instagram, उनका कोई working hours नहीं होती है. जो working hours है, जो customers का requirement है, वही working hours है. So the next piece is office space. पहले ऐसा होता था कि ऑफिस को ही जाना चाहिए, ऑफिस एक होनी चाहिए. एक बिजनेस को आप सेटअप करना है तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू हैव अ ऑफिस, नहीं तो आपको एक दुकान होनी चाहिए थी. अभी इट्स नॉट लाइक दैट. वर्क स्पेस इट कैन बी एनीवेयर. यू मे हैव सीन इंस्टाग्राम पे, नहीं तो फेसबुक पे, lot of people sit in a cafe, have a coffee, and very stylishly they will put a picture saying, I'm working from a cafe today. So working place has become anywhere. And what is the workplace for somebody who is doing delivery? एक delivery boy या delivery girl है तो उनका कोई work space नहीं होता है. Wherever they travel, wherever they have to deliver the goods, that's their workspace. The next is career growth. Career growth के बारे में बात किया तो पहले क्या होता था, there was very fixed career growth. मतलब first you join as let's say you join as an assistant, उसके बाद you are promoted to a group leader, उसके बाद you are promoted to manager, उसके बाद joint manager, whatever. So there was a very clear cut rules, and it used to be like after 2 years you can move, after 3 years you can give an exam and then take a promotion. Abhi the way in which people can grow in their career has changed a lot. It has completely changed, even in the private sector, even in the public sector. आपके हिसाब से, आपके skills, आपके performance, आपके जो ताकत है, abilities जो हम कहते हैं, उसके हिसाब से आप career में grow कर सकते हैं. Somebody who joined 3 years back can suddenly move into becoming a people manager, can move into becoming a senior manager, or somebody who starts a very small business. एक self employment आपने start किया with just one person working. If you have the ability, if you have the skills, you can suddenly start a business. And somebody who is doing a very small job if they are good at that job and they prove themselves, they will be given a lot of opportunities. That's the way the industry works today. That's the way the workplace works today. It only cares about abilities, about skills, not so much about the way previously growth used to happen. This is a very important point, so kindly remember this. Next point is predefined work. What does this mean? So you may have understood. I mean, if you ask anybody who has worked before, go to your dadaji, go to your uncles, your aunt, your parents, go and ask them कि जब आप काम करते थे, आपकी काम में what exactly were you doing? आपका क्या था जॉब रोल? तो बताएंगे कि बहुत क्लियर था जॉब रोल, यही करना है, उसके बाद ये करना है, उसके बाद this much I have to cover. So, for example, if it was a teacher, easiest example because we have all seen teachers, what was the role of a teacher? Make sure that the teacher covers the syllabus, make sure they set the exam paper, and make sure that students learn. Also do corrections and give you your marks. These were the set of rules for a teacher. Now, what has happened? Schools have locked down. Teachers have to learn to use computer. Teachers have to learn to take classes online. So the nature of their job, the very thing that they were doing, that has changed rapidly. So predefined work, even when you enter the workplace, you will understand कि predefined work कुछ ज़्यादा होता नहीं है. जैसे आपकी skills है, जैसे इंडस्ट्री डिमांड्स है, जैसे मार्केट चेंजेस है, उसके हिसाब से इवन द वे इन विच यू वर्क, द वे यू वर्क और आई वर्क, इट्स ऑल on the basis of the big market changes that are taking place, right? I'll just give you 2 minutes to look at this slide. If you have any questions, ask me. 2 minute के बाद हम next slide को जाएंगे. I will just be quiet and wait for you to read this. ओके आपको लगता है कि मैं फास्ट जा रही हूँ. इफ यू फील यू वांट मी टू स्लो डाउन थोड़ा तो प्लीज बताइएगा, नहीं तो आई विल कंटिन्यू द सेम स्पीड. एंड आई होप my mixing of Hindi English it's okay for you to understand. If not, please let me know. I will try to speak more in Hindi. So Mahala is asking, can you give one more example of career growth based on performance and skills? Okay, तो मैं Mahala का ही example लेती हूँ. A lot of you may have met Mahala. Mahala is a person who works in Quest Alliance. He is a program support officer. जब उन्होंने ज्वाइन किया था, इनका काम था फैसिलिटेटर. मतलब वो 2 to 3 डिफरेंट इंस्टीट्यूट्स को जाते थे और स्टूडेंट्स को मीट करके माई करियर का सेशंस लेते थे. आफ्टर दैट what happened, he is a really smart worker. हार्ड वर्किंग, स्मार्ट वर्किंग, ये दो बहुत अलग अलग चीज होती है. हार्ड वर्किंग इज यू पुट इन लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट टू डू द सेम थिंग. Smart work is when you are able to think of different ways in which you can do that job faster, smarter, more efficient manner. So he's a smart worker. Very smartly, he started managing different things. He had his interest in different things, or he also put in a lot of effort to understand how to do different jobs, not just that of a facilitator, other jobs. जब वो प्रोग्राम की सपोर्ट करनी हो, एक्सपैंड करना हो बिजनेस को, नहीं तो दूसरे प्रोग्राम के बारे में आइडिएट करना हो, स्टूडेंट्स को हाउ टू एंगेज स्टूडेंट्स डिफरेंटली. So he started doing that, and iske hisab se his role in 1 year changed from a facilitator to a program support officer. Now Mahala runs a totally different program based on his interest, which is in developing self-employment. So that is one example I can give of somebody whose job and career has grown because of their performance. Um, cool. Bhavna is saying comfortable in both. All right, great. Thank you. One more simple example of career growth based on performance and skill. So I remember reading this story about a Dunzo delivery boy. उनका काम सिर्फ डिलीवर करना था, and that boy started realizing that people are sending all sorts of material through Dunzo. Sometimes they were even sending stuff like drugs. They were sending illegal material because Dunzo mein they don't really check what is being sent. So this boy realized that just doing delivery like this is not okay. We have to be compliant by law. And he even went and checked what was actually getting delivered. He went and complained to the police when he realized कि यहाँ पे illegal materials is getting transferred. Because of his smart work, they were able to change the laws for Dunzo. अभी अभी डंजो में ये लॉ है कि जब डिलीवरी होगा तो the delivery boy will open and see what is in the parcel. So the entire chain, the entire delivery system became more legal, became more safe, especially for the delivery person. It became more safe. So this person is not just a delivery boy anymore. He's a customer support associate. So just by smart working and by being more proactive, he was able to grow in his career. So that is another example of career growth based on performance. Cool. So let's go to the next slide. Yes, Bhavna, they also started rides on Dunzo. That's their smart way of expanding. Okay. Some more understanding of what was the way in which work was in the past, or what is the way in which work is there in the present. The next slide, please. Yeah. तो कंपनी इंफॉर्मेशन, एक कंपनी का जो इंफॉर्मेशन था वो बहुत सीक्रेटली रख जाता था. वेट, दैट इज बैड हिंदी. Hindi is not my first language, so I'm struggling to talk to you in Hindi. Please bear with it. Let's go back to the point. The company information was kept very secretive. So, for example, what is happening HAL, what is happening inside BHEL, what is happening in Dell, all of this information, they would never share it outside. It was very, very secretive. And that was the way older companies were designed. कि उनका जो प्रैक्टिसेस है, उनका जो सीख है एट अ कंपनी लेवल, जो वो सीख रहे और जो वो कर रहे एज अ गुड प्रैक्टिस, वो कभी बाहर दे वुड नॉट शेयर. लेकिन नाउ all the companies, big companies, small companies, everybody is encouraging their employees to share information. Now is the era of Facebook, era of Instagram, where everybody shares everything. बहुत सारा sharing आ गया है. टिकटॉक है जिसके वजह से हम बहुत सारे अपने आइडियाज, अपने प्रैक्टिसेस, इंफॉर्मेशन को शेयर करते हैं. ऐसा ही कल्चर कंपनीज हैव आल्सो अडेप्टेड. और कंपनी के अंदर जो कल्चर है, यहाँ पे भी बिटवीन टीम्स थिंग्स आर नॉट सीक्रेटिव. व्हेन यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग यू विल आल्सो एक्सपीरियंस दिस कि एक दूसरे के साथ सीक्रेटिवली कुछ होता नहीं है, बहुत सारा शेयरिंग होता है, स्पेशली अबाउट लर्निंग. If I learn something, I will share with my colleague. If the company learns something, it will share about its learning in a platform. So this culture of sharing, culture of continuously updating oneself, that has become the normalcy in the workplace today. Next point is use only company equipment. This is an obvious point. Previously, especially in industries, it used to be that people used to only use their company ka equipment. So I'll give you an example of a banking system, a banking industry. If you go to a private bank, प्रीवियसली क्या होता था, बैंक का जो कंप्यूटर है, बैंक का जो भी है, प्रिंटर, टेलीफोन, फैक्स मशीन वगैरह, सिर्फ उसको यूज करते थे. कोई एम्प्लॉय अपनी पर्सनल की जो कंप्यूटर्स है, मोबाइल फोन है, उसको यूज नहीं करते थे. अभी इफ यू गो, लॉट ऑफ बैंकर्स यूज their own phone, nahi to they will use their tab. Sometimes even in the evening after working hours also they send you, this is the new offer, ye chal raha hai, wo chal raha hai. So the way in which people work, the devices that they use, even that has changed. How is this going to impact? I will talk about it, but it's good for you to know कि अपने own devices को use करते हुए हम anytime, anywhere, all the time काम चालू रखते हैं. नेक्स्ट, फोकस्ड ऑन नॉलेज एंड डिग्रीज. अगेन वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट. पहले जो जॉब्स थे, पहले जो वर्क कल्चर थी, वहां पे द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन एनीबडी आस्क इन इंटरव्यू, व्हाट इज योर क्वालिफिकेशन, हाउ मेनी डिग्रीज यू हैव, हाउ मच डू यू नो. तो नॉलेज को सिर्फ ज्यादातर, नॉट सिर्फ, ज्यादातर डिग्रीज और क्वालिफिकेशन के हिसाब से जज करते थे और वैल्यू करते थे. अभी इवन somebody who has not completed their graduation or not completed their 10th, based सिर्फ और सिर्फ based on their skills, they can take up different kinds of jobs. You can become a photographer, you don't have to have big qualification for it. You can start a business, you don't have to have big qualification. You can teach, you can do so many different jobs. If you just have the right skills, you can start and you can grow in careers based on the ability, based on the skill you have, also based on how much you know technology. In today's world, let us say you have lot of degrees और आपको एक कंप्यूटर यूज करना भी नहीं आता है, आपको मेंटालिटी भी नहीं है कि टेक्नोलॉजी को कैसे यूज करें. थोड़ा हम सीख सकते हैं, पता नहीं टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में, तो इट्स ओके, आई विल लर्न एंड अडेप्ट. ये आपकी सीखने की भावना नहीं है, तो इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू टू ग्रो. अगेन आई विल गिव यू अ वेरी स्मॉल एग्जांपल. व्हेन यू यूज्ड टू गो टू अ पेट्रोल बंक और अ सुपरमार्केट, आप शायद देखे होंगे कि पहले सिर्फ पैसा चालू होता था. ओनली यू हैव टू पे थ्रू मनी एंड यू विल गेट समथिंग, यू विल गेट पेट्रोल. उसके बाद क्या हुआ, वो मशीन आया, बड़ा सा मशीन. that was your you have to put a card and you have to enter the pin. So that's your transaction machine, and you would have to go there, go to the office and fill that machine. उसके बाद वो मशीन छोटा हो गया, वो मशीन को they used to bring it to you. Now even the way that machine looks, everything has changed. So the person who is working in that petrol bunk as a cashier, उनके लाइफ में लास्ट 7 years में इतने सारे टेक्नोलॉजी चेंजेस आ चुके हैं. उनको पहले he or she had to have the skill of counting money, then they have to get the skill of using that machine. उसके बाद whenever that machine is improved, whenever that machine changes, even their skill or ability to learn that simple technology had to be available. And now we do UPI na, Bheem या फिर Google Pay, that also the cashier has to learn. So now it's not just about degrees, not just about knowledge. जॉब मार्केट में आपके स्किल्स, आपके क्वालिफिकेशन और आपकी जो लर्निंग की एबिलिटी है, आपकी जो लर्निंग के बारे में एटीट्यूड है, उसको टेस्ट करते हैं. लास्ट पॉइंट, लर्निंग ओनली थ्रू ऑफलाइन कोर्सेज एंड वर्कशॉप्स. तो पहले इतने सारे डिजिटल लर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटीज भी नहीं थे, इतने सारे कोर्सेज फ्री में ऐसे मिलना, इतने सारे अपॉर्चुनिटीज जो है हमारे बीच में सीखने के लिए, that was not there. Today there are so many webinars, so many platforms जिसके थ्रू आप सीख सकते हैं. And learning can be done anytime, anywhere by anyone. And that really is the topic of today's session key. How do we learn so that in the present and future job market, we are always ready? Because jobs, especially after Corona, jobs will be very, very less in the market. बहुत सारा कंपटीशन बढ़ जाएगा, लेकिन हम उस कंपटीशन को हमें तैयार रखना है. We have to be ready, we have to be focused, and we should be ready to fight the job market. So what are the skills that we need? That's the main point. So I hope you have written down a few skills that you think you will need in order to do well in the future job market, present and future. So quickly type and tell me what are these skills that you identified कि हाँ मुझे ये सीखना है, मुझे I have to know this in order for me to be successful. ऐसे आपने क्या क्या लिखा है? I'll be waiting for your response. Please quickly type and let me know. कौन कौन सी ऐसे स्किल्स हमें चाहिए जिसके वजह से हम सक्सेसफुल हो सके प्रेजेंट और फ्यूचर के जॉब मार्केट में? दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स, यस भावना. Communication skills are very, very, very important. I think today HR people, the first thing that they will say is degree is okay. Whatever they have learnt in the school या college, it's fine. हम उनको फिर से ट्रेनिंग देते हैं. When they come and join the company, we will train them again. लेकिन उनकी communication अच्छी होनी चाहिए. That's what all the HR people say. Personality, communication skill, ability to speak confidently. Kushali is saying time management. Baby Sharma, personality development, yes. Nidhi Nirmal, adaptability, very true. Adaptability का मतलब क्या है? Adaptability is simple. When the situation changes, you have to change according to the situation. Technology grows, you have to learn new technology. Job market changes, you have to change your skills according to that. So change has become the new normal. And not just any kind of change, very fast change, rapid change has become the normalcy. We did not know कि हम ऐसे lockdown पे we will be sitting. We all adapted to it. So that is adaptability. Great. Ability to speak confidently to anyone. Thank you. Let's move on to the next slide. Proactive, confidence, teamwork, yes. Critical thinking, people skill, problem solving, yes, Atul. So the next slide, please. Knowledge, skill or attitude. I will just take 2 minutes to explain this कि जब हम किसी चीज को सीखना है, whatever we want to learn, whatever we want to develop in ourselves, we have to understand कि there are 3 things हम that we need to have, that we need to understand so that we learn something. पहला है knowledge. नॉलेज ये है कि एक थियोरी हो सकती है, उसके बारे में कुछ देयर इज सम काइंड ऑफ अ अंडरस्टैंडिंग, सम काइंड ऑफ नोइंग अबाउट ए पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ इट इज लेट्स से टू व्हीलर, राइडिंग अ टू व्हीलर, knowledge is understanding ki where is the brake, where is the accelerator, how, what is balancing, how, where to put petrol, does this vehicle run on petrol, is it an electric vehicle. ऐसे समझना, जो समझ को हम बोलते हैं वो है knowledge. That we should first have about anything that we need to learn. Second is skill. Skill क्या है? Skill is something that we can actually do. तो बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि I know how to ride a two wheeler, लेकिन I can't actually do it. because they don't have the skill to balance, they don't have the skill to ride on the road. तो स्किल ये होती है जो आप एक्चुअल में कर सकते हैं. बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं मुझे पता है कम्युनिकेशन कैसे करना है लेकिन करने नहीं आता है. एक्चुअल में when I have to talk, I can't talk. I don't know what to communicate. So the skill is actually being able to do something. The final thing is attitude. Again, एक टू व्हीलर को एग्जाम्पल ही हम लेते हैं तो somebody knows about how to drive a two wheeler, they have even got the skill, लेकिन उनकी एटीट्यूड ऐसा है कि बहुत डर महसूस करते हैं. दे आर वेरी वेरी अफ्रेड टू टेक द टू व्हीलर एंड गो ऑन अ बिजी स्ट्रीट. So they have knowledge, they have skill, लेकिन attitude is stopping them from using this knowledge or using this skill. तो even when we take example of communication, ये हो सकता है कि I know how to communicate, I have the skill to communicate, but my attitude is so rough, it is so khadus that I don't use this skill properly. So only when these three things are in balance, you can learn something well. Please keep this in mind because whenever we have to learn something, we have to realize कि मुझे knowledge, skill, attitude, ये तीनों चीज पॉजिटिव होनी चाहिए, ये तीनों चीज बोल्डली हमें हमारे अंदर आनी चाहिए. ओनली देन वी विल बी एबल टू लर्न एज वेल एज अप्लाई दैट लर्निंग. कूल. लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. ग्रेट. तो इस फोटो में क्या हो रहा है? What is exactly happening in this picture? I'll wait for your comments. So in this picture, you can see that the plant is watering itself. ये plant खुद अपने आप को nourishment दे रहा है. So that is actually the way forward. This is our future. The only way in which we can gain knowledge, skill, attitude, and become ready for our future is by doing this one thing called self-learning. Next, please. So what is the future of learning? So that we are ready for the future job market, so that we are ready for the development of our own career, is by being a self-learner. So the next 15 minutes we will spend to understand कि ये self-learner मतलब क्या है, कैसे हम self-learner बन सकते हैं और self-learner बनने से क्या फायदा. We will talk about these three things. It's important to be a self-learner because, like this image, somebody else need not come and teach us. Somebody else need not have to give us gobar. हम अपने आप को nourishment, gobar, food, सब कुछ दे सकते हैं. So be a self-learner. Next. Nourish yourself, and you will also get another important skill, important attitude, which is the next one, continuous learning. So only when you are a self-learner, you will be a continuous learner. And like I gave you the example of that petrol pump ka jo cashier hai, if that person is not a continuous learner, and if that person says नहीं 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 मुझे ये मोबाइल यूज करना, मोबाइल ऐप यूज करना नहीं आता है, आई कैन नॉट डू दिस, मुझे कैश ही दो, क्या होगा? आफ्टर 1 month द ओनर विल से टाटा बाय बाय, आप नहीं चाहिए, आई वांट somebody who is smart enough to learn the new technology and make me, help me make money. So in order to stay in a job, you need to nourish yourself, you need to be a self-learner, and you need to have the attitude and ability to continuously learn. So next slide. So I'll tell you how to be a self-learner. It's pretty simple actually, and it's also very exciting. Self-learner ka one of the ways in which you can be a self learner is by being a multimedia learner. मतलब when we used to go to school, हमारे पास सिर्फ बुक था, नहीं तो टीचर, नहीं तो मम्मी पापा. Through their help we used to learn, है ना? But now the way in which we learn, everything has changed. We can learn through books, we can learn through computer, we can learn through apps. शायद आपको क्वेस्ट ऐप के बारे में पता है, उसका ही पिक्चर है वो. You can learn through apps like learning apps like Quest app. You can also learn from a friend or from a parent, like the way that cooking picture is there. You can learn something by doing. And finally, जो आप साइकिल की पिक्चर देख रहे हैं, वैसे आप अपने आप के साथ थ्रू ट्रायल एंड एरर, थ्रू एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन, थ्रू योर ओन एक्सपीरियंस भी आप सीख सकते हैं. तो आपके सीखने की जो प्लेटफॉर्म्स है, जो अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, वो बहुत सारे बढ़ चुका है. एंड यू जस्ट हैव टू नो कि ओके, इफ आई वांट टू लर्न, आई हैव सो मेनी डिफरेंट वेज, through books, through computer, through phones, but through talking to friends, through talking to relatives, talking to our own parents, and also experimenting. So that's how you can be a multimedia learner. Next. This is again an image that has become very popular in the recent time. As you know, this is superstar Akshay Kumar. इन्होंने जो किया, he did a movie called Padman, and that movie was based on this person called Arunachalam Muruganathan. He is from Tamil Nadu and he is a Padma Shri Award winner. If I have to take an example of somebody who is an amazing self learner, I always think about this person, because he took 4.5 years to develop his first successful pad. Sanitary pads banate hai Mr. Arunachalam Muruganathan. So for 4.5 years, he kept on trying different ways. And finally, on his own, he did not go to an institute. He did not go to a college which taught him how to make sanitary pads. He is not a scientist. He's a simple person who studied, I think she's just studied about 10th or 12th. And on the basis of his own self-learning, he was able to develop a sanitary pad, and now he has been awarded the Padma Shri. And the interesting thing is, his pads, one pad costs just 2.5 rupees, and market में जो हम खरीदते हैं, उसका pad minimum one pad costs 4 rupees, 4 to 4.5 rupees. So next. This is an example I wanted to give you of a self-learner. And as you see here, these are different types of pads that are available in the market. And there is something to do with self-learning, in these pads. Interesting thing ये है कि अरुणाचलम जब अपने business start किए, उनके मन में ये आया कि I should not only benefit for myself from this, I have to create more self-learners. तो इन्होंने डिफरेंट स्मॉल गांव में जाके सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स जो है विमेन की, वहां पे अपनी मशीन को इंस्टॉल किए, और उसके हिसाब से डिफरेंट विमेन्स ग्रुप्स, दे क्रिएट देयर ओन पैड्स, दे लर्न हाउ टू मेक दिस, दे क्रिएट देयर ओन पैड, एंड दे ऑल्सो डू देयर ओन ब्रांडिंग, दे डू देयर ओन मार्केटिंग, and they give different names for whatever they produce. So he is creating more and more self-learners through this one initiative. So what I want to tell you is, self-learning करने के लिए you don't need a lot of money. You don't need some great college. You don't also need to be highly educated. Self-learning के लिए सिर्फ और सिर्फ motivation की जरूरत है बस. Because आपके पास और मेरे पास, we have the luxury to have multimedia, जिसके थ्रू हम सीख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड. तो like I was saying, anyone, anywhere, anytime can learn, because हमारे पास वो resources already है. तो quickly I will tell you Yes, Mahala is saying innovation based on need. Yes, what Mr. Arunachalam did was he innovated on the basis of a need that he felt women in his community were using very unclean methods of or unsanitized methods of protection and and protection during their menstruation. So that's what he did. Um, I will quickly just take a look at your comments and then move on. Can you give one more example of continuous learning? Yes. Self care, working for oneself. Great. So let's move on. I just want you to understand that any of us, anybody, even somebody who is not a literate person, even they can become self learners and they can also enter the job market and do very well for themselves just with the spirit of continuous learning. Um, can we move to the next slide? Great. So this is again very very important slide. Self learning is not something कि आज कुछ ख्याल आया तो मैंने ये सीख लिया, कल बोर हो गया छोड़ दिया. Self learning is not like that. It is also a process. You have to follow a certain discipline. You have to take some responsibility for your own learning. और उसके बाद जो आता है उसको हम सेल्फ लर्निंग बोलते हैं. ऐसे ही एक दिन आपने दाल बनाना सीख लिया, नहीं तो चाय बनाना सीख लिया, and nobody calls you a chef. You have not got that much expertise just by doing something one time. If you learn something very simple and if you feel हो गया मेरा काम, I became self learner, it's not like that. थोड़ा तो बनता है हार्ड वर्क. तो कैसे हम करते हैं सेल्फ लर्निंग? पहला, we have to set a goal. We have to understand that what is it that I want to learn? Where do I want to reach? For example, एक गोल हो सकता है कि I want to learn how to paint. तो you have set a goal कि पेंटिंग के बारे में नहीं तो okay, let's take a even more concrete example which can help us in the workplace. How do I learn to communicate? I want to learn to communicate confidently. So you have set a goal. Confidently communicate karna is a goal. Next, you have to do a process through which you learn it. आपको ही आइडेंटिफाई करना है कि कौन कौन से तरीके से आप इसको आप सीखेंगे. You can learn it through app, you can learn it through friends, you can learn it by reading a book, you can learn by practicing in front of a mirror. So there are so many ways in which you can learn. लेकिन आपको ही एक स्ट्रक्चर बनाना है कि कैसे यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग दैट यू हैव डिसाइडेड टू लर्न. फाइनली आपको ये भी डिसाइड करना है, आपको ही डिसाइड करना है, कोई और आके आपको टेस्ट नहीं करेगा. आपको ही डिसाइड करना है कि हाउ विल आई टेस्ट माई सेल्फ, व्हेन विल आई टेस्ट माई सेल्फ. सो व्हेन यू सेट अ गोल, you can't be like tomorrow morning I will learn how to communicate well, confident. No, at least practically keep 15 days, 20 days and say after 20 days I will be able to confidently talk in front of a small group of people. नहीं तो 20 days के बाद एक mock interview जब मैं दे दूंगी तब I will feel more confident about communicating. So like this, set a goal that is smart and also set end जो आप जब आप अपने आप को टेस्ट करेंगे और कैसे आप अपने आप को टेस्ट करेंगे. तो सेल्फ लर्निंग में ये चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि ऑल द 3 स्टेप्स के लिए सिर्फ और सिर्फ आप ही रिस्पॉन्सिबल है. कोई और आपके पास आके आपको टेस्ट नहीं करेंगे, मार्क्स नहीं देंगे, असेसमेंट नहीं करेंगे. You are taking responsibility for your own learning. So that is the method of self-learning. Shall we go to the next one? Agree on the goal. Virender has given me a very cool thumbs up. Thanks, Virender. How to do self-learning? So it's easy to say goal set करो, learn करो, उसके बाद test करो. लेकिन ये करने के लिए भी थोड़ा थोड़ा वी हैव टू हैव सम टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स, है ना. तो टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स इज व्हाट आई टेल यू. फर्स्ट, बहुत बड़ा सा गोल, आई विल क्लाइम माउंट एवरेस्ट, ऐसे मत दीजिएगा. आई विल लर्न टू कम्युनिकेट इन फ्रंट ऑफ 1,000 people. It's a very big goal. It's a very scary goal. Set a small goal. I will communicate confidently. I will talk about myself confidently in front of 3 people. That is a small goal. It's possible to achieve it. And second, set a date. Always have a date and always tell yourself in 1 week, nahi to in 1 month, depending upon your goal, set a date. Reward yourself. Tell yourself, come on, if you do it, if you do 10 days, if you learn continuously for 10 days, I will buy you a chocolate. अपने आप को ये बोलो, अपने आप को मोटिवेट करो. एंड एंड में जब आप सक्सीड होगे, then you give yourself a bigger reward. Buy yourself something nice. Nahi to, do something nice for yourself. And the next tip is ask a lot of questions. Because क्या होता है, एक क्लासरूम में जब हम सीखते हैं, हमारे ही क्वेश्चंस नहीं, हम बहुत सारे और लोगों की क्वेश्चंस भी सुनते हैं और उसके थ्रू हम बहुत सारे सीखते हैं. यहाँ पे कोई क्लासमेट नहीं है आपकी, कोई बेंचमेट नहीं है, आप ही आपकी क्लासरूम है, आप ही टीचर है, आप ही स्टूडेंट. तो ट्राई टू आस्क अ लॉट ऑफ क्वेश्चन अबाउट द टॉपिक दैट यू आर लर्निंग. If you can think of 7 to 8 minimum questions about whatever you're learning, that is a healthy thing. That's you're going on a good path. Next is experiment. Experiment a lot. That's what Mr. Arunachalam also did. He experimented a lot for 4 years. Only after that he was able to achieve making a proper sanitary pad. आप भी without fearing, without getting scared, experiment कीजिए. Try to talk in front of your own mother or your father or sister if communication is your goal. If not, you talk in front of the mirror, talk in different ways and see what is the best way in which you can communicate properly about yourself. And next point, do whatever you're doing every single day. इसको जापानीज मैनेजमेंट थियोरी में काइजन बोलते हैं. काइजन का मतलब है एवरी सिंगल डे कंटिन्यूअस इम्प्रूवमेंट. तो जापान में पीपल आर वेरी 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 एफिशिएंट. दैट इज ओनली बिकॉज दे आर सुप्रीमली डिसिप्लिन. एंड वो जो करते हैं वो एवरी सिंगल डे सेम थिंग सीखते हैं, सेम थिंग प्रैक्टिस करते हैं. तो इफ यू हैव सेट अ गोल फॉर 10 days, just do it every single day. Take, even if it is just 10 minutes, it's okay, do it. And final point, and my most favorite point, ये है fail fast. Whenever we try to learn something, let us say we are trying to ride a cycle, we have fallen. Whoever tries to ride a bike or a cycle, definitely they will fall. It's important to fall, it's important to fail. Lekin when you fail, pick up yourself fast, pick up yourself quickly and say, good, awesome, I failed, I know that this is not the way, I will take another path. तो जब फेल्यूर होगा, फेल्यूर भी फास्ट होनी चाहिए और रिकवरी भी फास्ट होनी चाहिए. So keep these things in mind and only then you will be able to enjoy that process of self learning, because जो अंत में रिवॉर्ड मिलता है, जो अपने आप को आप देते हैं, it's the best reward. Cool. Next, can some ideas of self-learning platform? Sure, I will share after this webinar. I will definitely share a lot of ideas about self-learning and not ideas, sorry, different platforms. Manju Bala, what's up? I don't know what's up with you. What's up is the webinar. Cool. What can happen when you self-learn? So self-learning, is it always enjoyable? Is it always fun? No, it can get, like you see in the picture, it can get frustrating. Next, it can get very distracting. So whenever you're studying, you may have so many distractions. You may feel, so for example, if you're watching a YouTube video about communication, on the side, you will see another video of Deepika Padukone and Ranveer Singh something, and you will feel, oh my God, I want to see that. ये communication बाद में देख लेते हैं. ऐसा होता है, बहुत सारा distractions आता है. But you have to stay focused, Sometimes you'll get frustrated also because, hey, what is this? Yeah, there are no friends, there are no classroom, there is no test, nothing to motivate me. Same thing I'm learning, I'm not getting it. ऐसा भी हो सकता है. Or another thing that will happen to you is boredom. You may feel bored because you don't have. We are all used to learning in a group. We're not used to disciplining ourselves. We're not used to learning on our own. ये सब हो सकता है, ये होता है. लेकिन with all of this, we have to brush it. We have to learn to fight these normal regular instincts and still continue to do little bit of self learning. Only then you will succeed, not just in your college life, but you will succeed in the syllabus, in the curriculum that is the larger life, that is larger career itself. Last screen, we're almost at 4 o'clock. Yeah, we'll end in next 2-3 minutes. Next, please. See, when we are able to actually achieve our goal, a small self-learning goal, you trust me, you will feel supremely happy. You will feel very proud of yourself, and I think you will get a lot of confidence, and that is exactly what is needed for us to succeed in the world of work. ये ऐसे ही एक motivational talk नहीं दे रही हूँ मैं. The reason I'm telling you about self learning is because in the job market of the future, in the job market of the present, we have to be in a mode where we are continuously improving. काइजन जो हम बोलते हैं, KAIZEN, वो एटीट्यूड, वो स्किल और वो डिसिप्लिन हमारे अंदर होना जरूरी ही जरूरी है, बिकॉज दैट इज द ओनली वे वी कैन सर्वाइव इन द जॉब मार्केट. बिकॉज कॉम्पिटिशन बहुत सारा है और कोरोना के वजह से और भी ज्यादा बढ़ेगा. तो एंटरिंग द जॉब मार्केट इज अ बिग डिफिकल्टी, और उसके बाद एंटर करने के बाद सर्वाइविंग इज ऑल्सो चैलेंजिंग. सो दैट्स द रीजन I'm saying it's important for all of us to get the habit of self-learning. Last slide. So one of the ways, if you want to start, Mahala was saying, give us some examples. Here is one example, which is a cool way to self-learn. I'm sure all of you have access to the Quest app. Why don't you set a short learning goal and said, I'm going to learn some life skills. Today I'm going to learn how to manage my emotions, nahi to how to understand myself, nahi to how to have good communication skills. And the Quest app is one of the platforms through which you can learn. So it's just an option. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts, if you don't agree, please let me know. We are going to close in next 2 minutes. So in the next 2 minutes, if you have anything, quickly type your responses and I will try to answer your questions. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you. Diksha and Amrita, thank you. Please set, Diksha and Amrita, please set your own self-learning goals and share it on this group. I will be waiting to see what is it that you're going to learn in the next 1 month. Manju, Anjali, Baby Sharma, all of you, I'll be waiting to see what are your self-learning goals. Please share them back on the Facebook Rajasthan group. And I think it'll be good. We can all motivate each other to learn something. I will also be sharing the tips and tricks that I shared in this webinar. I'll be sharing it with you on the WhatsApp group as images, so that you remember these small tips and you also remember the process of self-learning. Cool. Looks like there are no questions. Go to the last slide, please. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot for being so patient, being so encouraging, and talking to me and interacting. Also, thanks a lot for participating in the webinar. And if you want to reach us on the Facebook group, reach us on Quest app. And one more thing is, because of Corona, a lot of people are going through a lot of emotional crisis. They're going through mental trauma, mental health issues. They're also going through a lot of fear and crisis because of lack of food, lack of medicines. So ऐसा आपको कुछ महसूस हो रहा है, if you are struggling, again, please watch out on the Facebook group. We have a helpline to talk to people and give you support in terms of medical resources, in terms of knowledge, information. So that's another way to interact with us and keep in touch. Thank you. And I enjoyed the session too. Bye bye. If there are any doubts, please write them back on the group and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you.